Very good morning to all. I am Dr. MS Kumar, Assistant Professor and IQAC Coordinator in the Government College for Women, Mandya, Autonomous, Karnataka. First of all, I welcome all the beloved participants for this national level webinar on emerging issues in social science research. I also welcome the speaker of the webinar, Sandeep Shastri sir, for this webinar. I welcome Principal of our institution, Professor K.B. Narayana, for his webinar. I welcome teaching and non-teaching staff and also organizing committee of this webinar. So, we have the eminent speaker, Dr. Sandeep Shastri. He is political scientist and pro-vice chancellor, Jain University, Bengaluru. And sir will going to engage for about 1 to 1.5 hours, and sir will speak on emerging issues in social science research. So IQAC is a part of the college system, and it works towards quality enhancement, sustenance, and initiates measures for improvement of quality in all areas of the college educational endeavor. So as a part of a curriculum, our college is engaged in conducting many webinars in different fields in the lockdown and also in the post-lockdown period. By organizing these types of webinars, not only the participants will get benefited, but also our students studying in our college and also the teaching staff get benefited. Also, the webinar video is uploaded into our institution channel named Jnanasiri, and thereafter many people can access the information at any time and get benefited. Today, as I already mentioned, we have the very eminent resource person, Dr. Sandeep Shastri sir, and this webinar is organized by the Department of Political Science and Political Administration in association with IQAC of our institution. The patron of the program is our beloved principal, Professor K.B. Narayana, and organizing secretary was Mr. Deepak Kumar, HOD and Assistant Professor of Political Science and Public Administration. The convener of the webinar is myself, that is Dr. MS Kumar, IQAC Coordinator and Assistant Professor of Biochemistry, Government College for Women, Mandya. Now, I request Dr. Komala to welcome the gathering. Over to Komala, madam.
Good morning, one and all. I'm Komala, Assistant Professor of Political Science, Government Women's College, Mandya. It's my pleasure to welcome all the dignitary for the one-day national level webinar on emerging issues on social science research. First of all, I welcome the speaker, Dr. Sandeep Shastri, political scientist and pro-vice chancellor, Jain University, Bangalore, for this webinar. Sir, welcome, sir. I also welcome Professor K.B. Narayan, Principal, Government College for Women, Autonomous, Mandya. I welcome T. Deepak Kumar, HOD of Political Science and Public Administration and Organizing Secretary of Webinar. I welcome Dr. MS Kumar, IQAC Coordinator and Assistant Professor of Biochemistry for this webinar. And I welcome all the beloved participants to this webinar. I also welcome organizing committee members, teaching and non-teaching faculties of our institution. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, Komala madam, for your welcome speech. Now, I request Professor K.B. Narayana, Principal of our institution, to speak about the webinar.
Good morning, everybody. I am Narayan K.B., Associate Professor and Principal, Government College for Women, Autonomous, Mandya, Karnataka. Respected speaker of today's webinar program, Dr. Sandeep Sastry, an eminent political scientist and Pro Vice Chancellor of Jain University, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Organizing Secretary and my good friend, Professor T. Deepak Kumar, and our college IQAC coordinator, Dr. M.S. Kumar, and IT coordinator and controller of examinations, Dr. M. Kumar Ji, and Dr. Komala, Professor Shekhar, and Professor Sarojamma of Department of Political Science and Public Administration, all participant delegates of this webinar program, my dear colleagues, friends and students. I'm very happy to say that the Department of Political Science and Public Administration and the IQAC of our college has jointly organized a webinar on emerging issues in social science research. In this context, I am very happy to share few words about our college, which was established in the year 1971. This college is an institution of high distinction, exclusively dedicated to educate the women. As a government institution, it addresses the issues of equity, equality, and access by providing education to all sections of women students, and also caters to the needs of all the students hailing from economic and social backward areas. This college has obtained permanent affiliation from University of Mysore, and the college has completed 3 NAC cycles and awarded B++ grade. I am very proud to inform you that presently there are more than 2,500 students pursuing their degree and master degrees in our college. The college aims at achieving high quality in all its endeavors. Keeping this in view, the college has planned and implemented several activities and has made a sincere effort to move forward and reach excellence with total commitment of involving all the stakeholders of the society. A good number of teachers of our college are engaged in the areas of academic innovations, consultancy, and extension activities. As a part of this, the webinar on emerging issues in social research is organized today. As we know that sciences are broadly divided into natural or physical sciences and social sciences. Social sciences includes various disciplines dealing with human life, human behavior, social groups, and social institutions. Social sciences are not exact science like physical sciences, and they deals with the human beings. The behavior of human beings is influenced by biological, psychological, socio-cultural, temporal, and environmental factors. It is difficult to see the uniformities in the diversity of complex human behavior. So, social scientific research is a systematic method of exploring, analyzing, and conceptualizing human life in order to extend, correct, or verify knowledge of human behavior and social life. In other words, we can say that social science research seeks to find explanation to unexplained social phenomena to clarify and correct the misconceived facts of social life. The aim of social science research is to discover new facts or verify and test old facts. Social science research tries to understand the human behavior and its interaction with the environment and the social institutions. Social science research is also concerned with the development of new scientific tools, concepts, and theories which would facilitate reliable and valid study of human behavior and social life. The fields of social science research are virtually unlimited, and the materials of research are endless. Every group of social phenomena, every phase of human life, and every stage of past and present development are materials for the social scientists. A social science research actually calls for interdisciplinary approach, and research in social science involves issues of ethics, unethical practices, etc. So the speaker of today's webinar will speak about emerging issues in social science research. I hope that this webinar will provide us a platform to know about the emerging issues in social science research. Once again, I welcome the eminent speaker of the webinar program, Dr. Sandeep Sastry sir, and all the beloved participant delegates to this webinar, and I wish a great day ahead. So thank you, one and all. Over to Dr. M.S. Kumar, IQAC coordinator, as the convener of the program.
Thank you, Narayan sir, for your keynote address. Now, I request Sandeep Shastri sir to speak about this webinar. Sorry, before that, I request Mr. Deepak Kumar, HOD of Political Science Department, to introduce the speaker of this webinar. Over to Deepak.
Good morning. I am T. Deepak Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Political Science and Public Administration, Government College for Women, Mandya. Now I am briefing you all the theme of the webinar. Webinars are a great gateway to connect with fellow workers of any field of research. These webinars can help us to keep up to date with the ongoing projects in any discipline of research. In other words, webinars have an insustainable tool in higher education, which helps us to know the lot trends in any area of research. Moreover, webinars give avenue to create the delivery high quality visual content that can have a positive impact on our audience. By taking this as a platform, we in our college as a part of academic activities of Department of Political Science and Public Administration in association with IQAC, conducting a webinar entitled Emerging Issues in Social Science Research, which is the need of the movement and useful to have a academic excellence in higher education. I request you to go through the webinar and have a par excellence of the topic to explore your knowledge. Now it is giving me an immense pleasure to introduce Dr. Sandeep Sastry sir, Political Scientist and Pro Vice Chancellor, Jain University, Bangalore, who is the main speaker of our today's program in few lines. Dr. Sandeep Sastry sir is a political scientist who is the Pro Vice Chancellor of the Jain University and Director of Center for Research in Social Sciences and Education. He is also the National Coordinator of the Lokaniti Network. His research is largely in the field of election studies, federalism, innovation in teaching, and survey-based research. He has to his credit 10 books, more than 40 articles in edited books, and over 60 articles in referred journal, besides more than 200 articles in op-ed pages of newspaper. He is associated with several prestigious international research bodies in the field of social science and education. He has been international consultant associate with the Forum of Federation for its federal democracy capacity building program in the Sudan, South Sudan, and Myanmar. He is one of the executive committee of two important research committees of the International Political Science Association connected to the study of electoral system and governance. Dr. Sandeep Sastry sir played a key role in drafting the Karnataka Youth Policy by serving as the chairman of the drafting committee of the policy. Thank you, one and all. Thanks once again. Over to Dr. M.S. Kumar.
Thank you, Mr. Deepak, for intro. I request Sandeep Sastry sir to speak on emerging issues in social science research. So over to you, sir.
Thank you, everyone. I'd like to especially thank the